Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. From this video we are starting C++ programming. So let us write the first C++ program. So for writing any C++ program you have to include the file iostream.h. Okay, so this is a preprocessor statement #include iostream.h. Then the execution will start with main function void main, and next we are simply displaying a message hello world. So how to write that? Cout. Okay, cout, then two less than operators in double quotes hello world. Then again I want to take the cursor to next line now. So what will I do? I'll again write these operators to separate the two statements. Then I'll write end L. So this is used to take the cursor to next line. Then don't forget to give semicolon. Now I want to display one more message, first program. Okay, first C++ program. So what this will display, what this code will display, it will display hello world, and in the next line it will display first C++ program. And don't forget to close the curly brace. Okay, opening brace and closing brace. Let us see the output now. Hello world, first C++ program. So this is the output you are going to get in this program. So next in the next program we will be seeing how to take input from user. Okay, so let us see how to take input from user. Again write void main function, int n is a one variable. Then I'll display message enter number. Then I will take input. You will take input with the help of cin. Okay, then in what you are going to take the input? In variable n. Now so I have taken input. Now I will simply display that number. Cout you entered. Okay, then the value of n, simply semicolon. Okay, now what will be the output of this program? Enter number. If suppose you are entering 10, now in the next line it will display you entered 10. So this was the program of taking input from user and displaying a message. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. You will be seeing more in C++. Thank you.